here is a picnic table, and we got some knots right here. These two divots and these two divots are from the bolts when they stack the picnic tables. And then this gouge right here is from me in the back of the van. We've got some more knots. Now, in a perfect world, what we'd like to do is we'd like to epoxy this and, you know, then sand it down and everything else. But we're not going to do that for this. What we're going to do is we're not going to fill it in with epoxy. We're going to keep the character where the character is. We're going to sand it down. And then we've got some vinegar and steel wool stain that we've been making for the last couple weeks. It didn't turn out quite like some of the stuff we've seen on the internet, but it did turn out. So we're hoping that the chemical process with the grains is gonna do it, and it's gonna pull some of that color out. And then what we have is Howard's cutting board oil. Okay, and this is 12 ounces. It was less than $10. We purchased it at Lowe's. There's other products, but this is just, it's food grade mineral oil enriched with vitamin E. Okay, so it is safe to be used for butcher blocks and wooden bowls, cutting boards, that sort of thing. So the reason why we're doing this is we don't want any extra toxicity in the house. Now, you have your toxicities. Some people can get around it, some people can't. I mean, it just depends on how much money you want to spend and how hard you want to try. But what we're doing, because we have a 3-year-old, soon to be 3-year-old, we have a 7-year-old, and we're just trying to make the best possible table for us.